Good afternoon, children. Welcome to online computer class. Okay, in the last computer class, we have started our second lesson, that is understanding Windows. Okay, and we have seen desktop icons, taskbar, and start button. That portion we have completed. Now we will continue with this lesson, that is today we will see understanding window. We will continue with this lesson, selecting and deselecting icon, that is a page on the page number 12. Okay children, now what is selecting icon? On the desktop, you know what is desktop. Okay, on the desktop any folder is there or any file is there that you want to select. How to select that? You just have to click with the mouse. Okay, to select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Okay, just simply one click. Do not click it two times. Okay, one click to highlight the icons. Okay, now how to deselect it? See, first it will be highlighted. In this picture you can see it is highlighted with the simply one click, simple one click. Now we will see deselecting icon. How to deselect it? To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. Means click on the desktop screen, on the blank screen. Okay, just click one simple click. The icon will now be displayed it in its original form. How it will be? That way it will get display. It will not be selected afterwards. So once you click on the blank area of the desktop near the desktop screen, so your icon will get deselect. Okay children, now see in this picture no selected icon. Once you click outside it will not be selected. Now next, selecting adjacent items. What is adjacent items? Means near items you can select. Which are the near ones? Okay, left click on the first item. First click with the mouse with the left button, mouse left button, you click on the items whichever you want to open. Okay, then hold down the shift key. Suppose first folder you want to select, you just click on that first folder or the file whichever is there on the desktop, and then hold down the shift key and click on the last item in on that row, or horizontally or vertically, whichever is the last item, you click on that. So all the adjacent item which are near will get all will get selected. Okay, this is called selecting adjacent items. See in this picture you can see whole row is selected. Whole that vertical line is selected. Means once you click on the first icon and then click on the last icon. Okay, first picture and last picture, that items, okay, that files are selected. So you just have to click on the first icon and then you have to press a hold down the shift key, hold down, hold it, do not leave. Okay, and then click on the last. Afterwards you can release the shift key. Understood children how to select the adjacent item? Now selecting non-adjacent items. How to select non-adjacent item means randomly you can select any icons or any items on the screen on the desktop. How to do it? Hold down the control key. Hold down which key? Control key. Select your first item, then hold down the control key. CTRL key is there on the keyboard. Press it and hold it, and then click one by one on the other items. Whichever you want to select randomly, you have to click on that item. So non-adjacent item will get selected. Understood children? See in this picture one, this folder is selected, recycle bin folder is selected, then other icon is selected. So this way you can select any items on the screen by pressing the control key, pressing and holding the control key, and click with the mouse left button. This is called selecting non-adjacent item. Okay, now children, we will see how to open a program. The program which is there on the desktop or any in the start button or anywhere, the program you want to open or any folder you want to open, you have to double click on that. You have to double click with the mouse. You practice it at home with the mouse left button. You have to press it 2 times. Okay, twice you have to press. So then that folder or the program will get open. Or you just click on the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. Okay, you have to select that item which you want to open and then press the enter key. The application window will get open. Suppose you want to open a paint window, paint application. So you have to click on that logo, paint logo, and just press enter key. The logo will get open. Okay children, how to open a program. Now moving a desktop icon. What is moving a desktop icon? On the desktop, if you want to move the items, the icons from one place to other place, you can do it by using a mouse. Suppose the icon is on the top, you want to place it in the bottom of the desktop. So you can do it simply by dragging it. How to do it, I will explain you now. See, first place the pointer on the icon. The icon which you want to move, you have to select it. Okay, first you select. I told you how to select. Then press and hold down the left mouse button. Press it. Okay, hold it and drag that folder wherever you want to place it. Till that place you drag it and release your finger, so it will move to other place. Okay children, so press and hold down the left button and drag your folder or drag that icon to a new place. So this is called dragging. This action is called dragging a folder from one place to another. Dragging icon from one place to another on the desktop. Understood children? You do this practice at home. Okay. Now arranging desktop icons. How to arrange desktop icons? See, right click on the blank area of the desktop. In the blank area of the desktop, you have to right click with the mouse, not left button. Right button, you just simply click, you will get one list of option. Okay, in this list of option is called context menu. Okay, context menu. In this option you will get, you can see in the screen, see, you will get like this options. In this you have to click on the view. You have to click on the view option. Then just you have to take your cursor or take your pointer, mouse pointer there on the view. Again you will get the extra list, okay, of that shortcut menu, of that view, the shortcut menu you will get. Then in this you can see auto arrange icon is there. Auto arrange icon is there. Okay, see, auto arrange icon, click on that auto arrange icons. The items, the icons which are there on the screen on the desktop will get automatically arranged. What you have to do, you have to right click on the desktop. Then on the desktop there is a view option. Take a cursor there, you will get the another list of option. In this you just click on the auto arrange icons. Then automatically all the icons will be arranged on the desktop. Now changing desktop background. you can change the appearance of the background, desktop background, according to your choice. Whichever picture you want to keep it as a background, that you can do it. Okay, how to do, we will see the step. First, right click on the blank area of the desktop. On the desktop blank area, when you right click, you get a list of option. As I told you earlier, you will get a list of option, that is a shortcut menu or a context menu. Okay, then you have to select, see in this, can you see the context menu? Okay, in this there is a personalize option. In this personalize option, you just have to take your cursor there. Then you will get again some list of commands. Okay, you will get more list. Then in this list you have to select the desktop background. You will get the options. In these options you select the desktop background. Now when you click on this desktop background, you will get one window. You will get like this window, personalize window, changing desktop. This is a personalized window. In this personalized window, you can see there is a desktop background option. Here you can click on the desktop background option. Then you will get like this screen, desktop background. In the personalized, there is a desktop background option. In this you can see different pictures. Okay, in this picture you select whichever picture you want to keep it as a background, and then click on OK. So your background will get changed accordingly. Understood children, how to change the desktop background? See, first you have to right click on the desktop, then you will click on the personalize option from the context menu, and then you will click on the desktop background option, and in the desktop background option you will get like this screen. In this screen you select whichever option you want, and then just click on the OK. The background will get changed. Understood? Okay, so children, today we have seen selecting icon, how to select the icon and how to deselect the icon. Then opening a program, how to open any specific program you want to open, how to open a program, that I told you. Then moving a desktop icon from one place to other, it is a dragging. Okay, it is also called dragging. And arranging desktop icons, how to arrange your desktop icons, that also I taught you. And changing the desktop background, how to change the desktop background. To change the desktop background, you have to right click on the blank area. You will get a context menu, and in this you have to select the personalize option. In the personalize option, there is an option for the desktop background. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Please go through it, read it once again, and the next part, whichever is there remaining, changing the screensaver and shut down the machine, how to shut down the computer, that I will teach you in the next lesson, next online class. Okay children, till then have a good day.